Hey everybody, it's Zach here from Steele Hyundai in Halifax, and behind me we have a 2024 Hyundai Tucson Preferred. What we're going to do today is a quick walk around video of the exterior and the interior, and we're going to talk about some of the features. And if you find this video helpful, feel free to like it and subscribe, and we'll have more great content for you. Starting off on the exterior of this 2024 Hyundai Tucson, on the front end you'll notice that your grille has been blacked out with some chrome. You have LED headlights in the front, and your daytime running lights are almost hidden in the design on the front grille. Working our way to the side, we have 17-inch alloy wheels, and you have more distinctive body lines along the side. It's a great looking vehicle. While we're out here, let's talk a little bit about performance. So, in this trim level, you have a 2.5 liter engine, 4 cylinders, that gives you 6.3 liters for city driving, 6.6 for highway, with a combined 6.4 liter. On the back there, you have a shark fin antenna and privacy glass. And with that being said, let's work our way to the interior. Alrighty, exploring the interior of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson, you'll notice right off the bat that you have a leather-wrapped steering wheel that is going to be heated, your instrument cluster, as well as a digital speedometer in the middle. On your driver's side door, you'll have your controls for your windows, locks, and your side mirrors. Towards the center of the vehicle, you have your 10.25-inch touchscreen media navigation with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as AM, FM, and XM radio with a 6-speaker audio system. You have 2 USB ports in the front. One of them supports fast charging, and you have a leather-wrapped shift knob. The passenger seat is adjustable in 6 ways. The driver's seat is adjustable in 8. Both of them are heated. Working our way to the back seats, you'll notice that you have 2 HVAC vents for your passengers back here. You have a 60/40 folding, which gives you 1,000 liters of cargo space in the back. And with the seats folded down, you get an additional 1,000 liters, making it just over 2,000 liters of cargo space. Alrighty, so first impressions behind the wheel of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. I am on a back road here. There's a bit of bumps, bit of some potholes here as well. The road overall is just pretty rough, and I gotta say, you don't really notice it when you're in the Tucson. It's handling the bumps very well. Some train tracks. Just like that, we went over some train tracks and you almost wouldn't even know. Very quiet inside of the cabin. The steering responds incredibly well. Okay. Now we're going to go up a little bit of a hill here. Let's just see how the acceleration goes. Now this is a 70. No problem getting up to speed up a hill. Overall, I'd say the driving on this vehicle is very nice, very comfortable. The steering is very responsive. It handles bumps very, very well. Overall, I don't have any complaints about the drive on this 2024 Hyundai Tucson.